Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to mark a TikTok as not interested. If you come across a TikTok video that doesn't align with your preferences, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Browse through your TikTok feed and select a video that you want to mark as not interested. Step 3. Tap and hold on the video. As you do so, slide your finger across the screen until you see the option Not Interested appear. By marking a TikTok as not interested, you're indicating to the TikTok algorithm that you're not interested in seeing similar content in the future. It's important to note that marking a video as not interested helps customize your TikTok experience and ensures that you see more of the content that you enjoy. Remember, the TikTok algorithm takes into account your preferences and engagement to curate a personalized feed for you. We hope you found this guide helpful in marking TikTok videos as not interested. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful TikTok tutorials and guides. Thank you for watching and happy TikTok browsing.